All kinds of activity over here. So I don't know, there must be a post here. Chopper's coming back. Yeah, definitely all this water leaking out of here as a result of something to do with this fire. I'm not sure, maybe it's pressure relief. Edison Wednesday, you can see the wind has shifted. Let's go see what he's doing. He's landing. Sandy fire. It all started with a spark from a tractor hitting a rock, and within hours the hills above Simi were on fire. The fire erupted, triggering massive plumes of smoke visible across Ventura and LA counties. Mandatory evacuations quickly went into effect in neighborhoods from the Bridle Path to Santa Susana. 750 firefighters battled the flames from the ground to the air. So today, for this ride, we are going to keep a safe distance, and we're going to check out this fire from a few different locations and see what happens. Okay, headed up to another spot. Wow, it's really dramatic over here. I'll pan over here in a minute. This fire is not going anywhere. It's just refusing to quit. Okay, we're about 2 miles west of our previous position, and yeah, this fire has reignited itself. It is growing again, as is activity with the water droppers also. The wind is very mild here, not very high. We're probably about 1,300 feet from sea level right here. Up higher might be worse though. Up there's the Ventura County landing pad and a water main. I see water everywhere over here. Not sure what it means, but we'll go to the pad and see. So yeah, definitely all this water leaking out of here as a result of something to do with this fire. I'm not sure, maybe it's pressure relief. I don't know. Interesting though. Here at this wind station, Edison Wednesday, you can see the wind has shifted. If anybody knows anything about Simi, the wind shifts to an onshore breeze in the afternoons. So that is what I think is generating this backside of this fire going back the other way. And I got a helicopter behind me. So yeah, there's something going on with that helipad back here. We're gonna check that out. I mean, I'm nowhere near the fire, so. Helo again. Not sure what he's doing over here. Maybe assessing. Maybe they're assessing the fire from a distance. Or maybe he's about to drop on me and say, get the hell out of here. No, I don't know what he's doing. There he is again. Starting to feel like Half-Life. All kinds of activity over here. So I don't know, there must be a post here where they're kind of strategically laying out the plans, because you can see it really well from here, and we will in a minute. That's flying off below. So yeah, this must be a strategic viewpoint of some kind. Wow. I'll get you a picture in a minute. Wow. Much at the summit over here on the Tapo side, and I had considered going over there up Sequoia, but you know what? I'm not doing that. I'm not going to interfere in any way, shape, matter, form what's going on over there. We're just going to be a safe distance away and just kind of document what we can. This chopper's flying around. The winds have picked up over here. Definitely an onshore now. This guy's getting off it. Well, maybe he's going for a landing. See, our little buddy's been following us around here. It's very difficult in these winds. He's probably about to get on the bullhorn, tell me to get the hell out of here, but I'm not really doing anything wrong. I'm just observing this event from a safe distance. Let's go see what he's doing. He's landing. It's gonna be hard to get back up here, isn't it? Oh yeah, they got a command post over there. Okay, just to set rep, the winds have definitely picked up. So this fire could spread a lot further to the east now, which puts it directly in the path of neighborhoods over there. I have no access to the news right now, but I suspect that could be what's happening. It sounds like the helo pilot is revving up. He may go for a takeoff here. Very cool to see this helipad being used. Yep, I've never actually ever seen a helo on the pad. I've been up here many times. Sounds like he's spinning up. There he goes. These guys do a hell of a job. Got to give it to him. So it's about 45 minutes later, headed back home, and this wind is just crazy. It's just going back the other way. More evacuations. Bell Canyon now. Looks like it's actually has gone back to where Tower 45 is. We're getting close. All this dark smoke was not here. It has flipped back on itself. Santa Susana is under evacuation because now as I said, the wind is shifting. So now this place, home of many of my other videos, is now under evacuation. Crazy how the fire goes from here to there, and now it's going all the way back over here. Okay, it's Tuesday. Next day, May 19th, and this fire is still going. So we'll come out here, take another look at what's going on here. So this thing has resurged. In fact, it feels windier now than the same time yesterday. And this thing is kicked up again. So now you can hear that wind. Now I'm being told we back deep in Runkle now. Where's the neighborhood? And we got some big planes coming on the way here. So day 2, and this thing is still ripping. Definitely windier than yesterday right now. Okay, it's the 3rd day, and the fire is mostly put out. This footage is from the 1st day, and the totals are, it's about 15% contained now, 1,700 acres burned,
870 firefighters assigned to the fire, and 43,000 people evacuated. Those evacuations are still in place now.